Hi, I'm Melvina Fredson-Cole and I am your loan officer. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I am just here to highlight what is going on with condos getting approved for loans for condos in 2022. Now, we all know the unfortunate incident that happened in Florida where the condo towers was like 12 stories collapsed and killed about 98 people. And so Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac, obviously, before then, they have been looking at ways on how they can really look into the condos. Why? Because Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac combined, they own about 70% on the loans on condos in the US. That's huge, right? And also because 60 to 70% of that amount is the buildings are over 30 years old. So now imagine that that's a huge issue. What does that mean? It means that there will be coming up for a lot of structural repairs, roofing, foundations, all these other things that are coming up. That there is a challenge because condos association management companies, they drag their foot to increase levies, special assessments and stuff like that because homeowners don't want to pay for it. It's a lot of money because depending on what the repairs are, it can run up to hundreds or even thousands of dollars monthly that they have to pay for. So this is an issue. So now, starting January 1st, 2022, Fannie Mae is going to request lenders to make sure that they fill their condo project questionnaire. It's called Form 1076. And also Freddie Mac is going to start in February, I think around February 28th. They're going to enact that all lenders do that. And the questionnaire is designed to highlight any structural effects that may require attention for the safety of the people and also the safety of their financial investment. And so they're going to be asking things like, when was the last licensed architect or licensed engineer came and did an evaluation of the building? They will be looking for if there are any directives from a federal agency that requires them to conduct certain repairs due to safety. They're also going to especially look for budget reserves, because if a building is owned and there's not a lot of budget reserve, that's a red flag, because anything comes up, they will not be able to repair it. You know that, right? They'll be looking for that. They'll be looking if there are any special assessment dues. So these are things that the questionnaire will highlight. Now, most of the time, there was a lot of condos that will just give waivers, but now they're going to be scrutinizing that. They are going to be adding condos to the no loan list that will not be approved by Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. So this is what you should be seeing, you will be seeing. And I just want to say that when you're looking for a condo and stuff like that, these are the questions that you'll be asking. So you can make an informed decision and be able to also, if you're a realtor, to help your clients make that. If you need detailed information about the report or have more information, you can DM me in Instagram, Melvina_Fredson-Cole, or you can just send me a text and I will send that information with your email address to 408-963-3776. I'm Melvina Fredson-Cole, loan officer, NMLS number 1982145. Have an amazing day.